OSS2 a fist syndrome solution. OSS2 is an innovative cooling cream, helps relieving muscle pain and nourishing skin. Product details. Giving skin brightening effect with gentle formula cream that applicable for sensitive skin. Relieving muscular aches and pain, which take approximately 1 minute to feel the effect. Treating inflammatory skin conditions, such as redness and swelling area from insect stings. It also suits for athletic who has minor muscle pain or inflammations of the joints. Improving blood circulation. Why OSS2? Unique innovative formula, greaseless, stainless, and fat-absorbing cream. It consists of pleasantly scented herbs, combining to be the special soothing and fresh aromatic herbal cream. Rich in vitamin A that helps to rejuvenate your skin. Main ingredients: menthol, relieving inflammation in muscles. Catapult oil, muscles and joints pain relief. Vitamin A, antioxidant and moisturizing skin. Peppermint oil, inflammatory skin and migraine relief. Directions for use: apply OSS2 after showering 2 times a day or as often as necessary. Gently apply OSS2 over the area of pain and surrounding areas. This unique formula cream of OSS2 can also be applied every day before bedtime as a normal body product.